In 2024, AI seamlessly integrates into daily life. From personalized morning briefings to smart commutes, AI optimizes our routines and revolutionizes industries. As the sun rises, we embrace this new era. As we journey deeper into the AI revolution, we find ourselves at a critical juncture, the ethical frontier of AI. It's about ensuring AI evolves as a force for good, crafting AI that respects privacy, upholds fairness, and operates transparently. Governments and organizations are drafting guidelines to prevent misuse and promote responsible AI development. The ethical frontier of AI invites us to envision a future where technology serves humanity. Why does 41% of the AI market start in North America? Let's dive in. The AI market is worth USD 621 billion in 2024. By 2032, it's projected to hit USD 740 billion. Advancements in computational power and big data drive smarter AI algorithms. Industries from healthcare to retail enhance efficiency and customer experience. Governments fuel AI research with hefty investments. Visit our website www.verifiedmarketresearch.com. Connect with us at inquiries@verifiedmarketresearch.com.